Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create an AI poster. So let's get started the video. To create a poster, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Open your web browser and then go to ChatGPT or open ChatGPT on your mobile phone. After that, sign into your account. Once you are on the ChatGPT home screen, click the message box. Now tell ChatGPT what type of poster you want to create. Include details such as poster topic, main title, colors, design, styles, image or elements, or poster size. Once you write down your prompt, click the send button. ChatGPT will generate a poster based on your prompt. Wait a few seconds for the result. If you don't like the past design, you can ask ChatGPT to create another version. For example, make the title larger, use brighter colors, or add more modern design elements. You can continue editing the poster by giving specific instructions. Once you are happy with the design, open the image, then click on Download. You can also upload the poster to Canva to make final changes or add extra text. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.